Hi, Jacob with Agorapulse. In this video, we're going to take a high-level look at our social listening inbox and how you can use it to proactively listen for user-generated content. To access your listening features and your listening inbox for your user-generated content, you're going to want to click right here on your listening feature tab. Now, all of your groups will apply here, and listening is going to be applicable for 4 networks: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Now, they all handle listening for user-generated content in different ways. We're going to talk about that right now. Facebook is the most basic of the listening platforms. It will automatically monitor any mentions, and those mentions can happen when another account mentions or tags your page directly in their post, or if they tag you directly in a comment. You have the ability to pull these in directly and reply and engage with that user-generated content automatically on Facebook. Now, Instagram will also automatically be pulling in any mentions. So any story mentions, any mentions in a post, any mentions in a comment will automatically populate here. However, you also have an advanced feature on listening for Instagram, and that is Instagram's hashtag listening. To create a search, simply click up in the top right corner, create search, and build your searches out. Now, Instagram specifically listens based on hashtags. So add in specific hashtags up to 30, and that will start pulling in content directly. With all of your listening searches, they will pull it in chronologically, so as this content is created, but you can always filter out and look at particular search categories. So if I want to look at my gym content we're listening for, if I want to look at different categories of content we're listening for on Instagram, we can do that directly here. Now, Twitter and YouTube are the 2 most robust platforms when it comes to listening. You have the ability on YouTube and on Twitter to create a listening search, but these listening search can be based on keywords, key phrases. They can also be based on hashtags, and you can also follow particular accounts. So if I want to follow a particular YouTube content creator, I can create searches in here just for that. YouTube and Twitter also have unlimited search creation. So if I need to create different search categories, one for daily fitness, another one for another type of workout or another type of content I want to listen for, you can pull that in directly here. The beauty of Facebook, Instagram mentions, YouTube, and Twitter is you can reply directly here to these comments, and you can also view this content directly in Agorapulse. Now, Twitter does have some advanced features when it comes to listening. It's the most robust platform. When you're creating a listening search on Twitter, you still have the same options like you do on YouTube, where you can create a keyword, key phrase, hashtag, or even create a search by following specific handles and accounts. You also have the ability to go even further and get more narrow with your search as well on Twitter. And this would be in the form of Boolean code, this advanced search options. You also have some options to narrow down what content is being pulled in by the language or the location as well. Take advantage of your listening, use it to pull in user-generated content, and use it for items like creating thought leadership, adding your conversation to a tweet or to a post, using it to monitor competitor content. What is a particular competitor account doing? Also use it to pull in content ideas. We're listening for a hashtag. This is a really cool way when someone is highlighting this particular type of service or this particular type of content. We can take that content idea and use that for our own content. Thanks so much for watching. To learn more or to watch more about our listening features, please visit our help center or start a direct chat with us today. Bye.